I would say this, my phone has a lot of, my new phone is a lot better at nighttime, or in the nighttime on video quality. Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Sand Creek Highway. This is the one I promised you, this is the one that I said in my last video, and here it is, the Westbound is coming. It is 9:49 p.m. and here it comes. Here it comes. Roll it. My papa is going to be counting the train cars. I know. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. My papa is going to be counting the train cars. Here it comes. Roll it. And just like I'm clockwork. I'm just kidding. Here it comes. Finally, the 231. About date time. And of course, my papa did not know. I can have somebody, I'm counting them, in a private train group. Symbol on that train is the Canadian Pacific. I'm the 231. Running about an hour and a half, 2 hours late. As usual. I mean, it's not usual. Or not normal. It is not normally this late. The 231 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates. Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates. All on this Saturday, on July 27th of 2024, from CJ Compton on YouTube. It is now currently 9:53 p.m. I have to get home now, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks... And thank you as always. And thank you as always for watching. Thank you, as always, for watching. And that is it.